Let's start by talking about clothes. Jagraj, will you stand up, please? Now, Jagraj, tell us, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a shirt and I'm wearing pants.
Good. Class, is Jagraj wearing pants or jeans?
He's wearing pants.
Right, Jagraj is wearing pants. Lynn, is Jagraj wearing a sweater?
No, he is wearing a shirt.
Right, Jagraj is wearing a shirt. Thank you, Jagraj. You may sit down now. Lana, will you please stand up? Is Lana wearing a skirt or jeans? Carmen.
She's wearing a skirt.
Right, Lana is wearing a skirt. Is she wearing a blouse or a sweater? Jagraj.
She's wearing a pink sweater.
Yes, she's wearing a pink sweater. We'll learn about the names of colors later on. Thank you, Lana. You may sit down now.
Teacher,
Yes, Celia.
what is this called?
Oh, Celia is pointing to her necklace.
And what are these called?
Those are called earrings. They're nice. Necklaces and earrings are called jewelry. Class, is Celia wearing jewelry?
Yes, she is.
Yes, she is. Good. Is Jagraj wearing jewelry?
No, he's not.
Right. Jagraj is not wearing jewelry.
I don't like to wear jewelry.
That's okay. Jewelry is not for everyone. Now let's look at some different types of clothing. Please watch. Jeans, t-shirt, dress, skirt, sweater, blouse, jacket, hat, suit, sneakers, sandals, shoes. Okay, let's review. Are these sneakers or sandals?
Sandals.
Good, they're sandals. Is this a skirt or a dress?
It's
It's a dress.
Right, it's a dress. Are these jeans or shoes?
They're jeans.
That's right, they're jeans. Now it's your turn to practice. Is this a t-shirt or a sweater? Good, it's a sweater. Is this a jacket or a dress? That's right, it's a jacket. Are these sandals or sneakers? They're sneakers. That's right, you did a great job. Now let's take a moment to learn about sizes. Listen and repeat. Small, medium, large, extra large. Now look at the picture and answer my questions. What size is this? It's small. What size is this? It's large. What size is this? It's medium. What size is this? It's extra large. Okay, class, Now let's learn the names of some colors. Please watch the board and listen. White, white. Black, black. Gray, gray. Red, red. Blue, blue. Purple, purple. Pink, pink. Green, green. Yellow, yellow. Orange, orange. Brown, brown. Let's review what we've learned so far. They're wearing black suits. She's wearing a pink dress. They're wearing blue jeans. Margarita, is he wearing a purple hat?
Yes, he is.
Good. Celia, is the sweater green?
Yes, the sweater is green.
Very good. Lana, are these sneakers white?
No, they aren't. They're gray.
Okay, the sneakers are gray because they're dirty. The sneakers used to be white. Let's practice talking about clothes. Choose the correct color from this list and the correct item of clothing from this list. Look at the pictures and answer my questions. What's this? It's a yellow skirt. What are these? They're brown shoes. What's this? It's an orange hat. What's this? It's a green sweater. What are these? They're blue jeans. What's this? It's a red dress. What's this? It's a purple jacket. Let's review what we've learned so far. They're wearing black suits. She's wearing a pink dress. They're wearing blue jeans. Margarita, is he wearing a purple hat?
Yes, he is.
Good.
Miguel.
Wake up!
Miguel. Miguel.
What? Oh, sorry.
Who are you thinking about?
Jane.
Jane. It's her birthday on Saturday.
Yes.
Do you have a present for her?
Oh, no. I need a special present.
Well, how about flowers?
Well, right now she has my flowers from Valentine's Day.
Oh, that is so romantic.
Well, how about chocolate?
No. Chocolate can make you fat. I know. A necklace. It's the perfect present and women love it.
Good idea. A necklace for Jane's birthday.
Ryan, a necklace is a great gift, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a wonderful present and any girl loves a necklace.
Where can I find a necklace?
We sell necklaces at the hair salon where I work. Of course, this one is old. I need a new necklace.
That necklace looks okay to me.
jewelry, jewelry, jewelry. Necklace, necklace, necklace. Earrings, earrings, earrings. Ring, ring, ring. Bracelet, bracelet, bracelet. Watch, watch, watch. Jeans, jeans, jeans. T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. Dress, dress, dress. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Sweater, sweater, sweater. Blouse, blouse, blouse. Jacket, jacket, jacket. Hat, hat, hat. Suit, 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 suit. Sandals, 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 sandals. Shoes, shoes, shoes.